In this video, I will be showing you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. First, you need to launch your Facebook application, scroll down, and click the Marketplace here. Now, in this area, all you have to do is to click Sell and create new listing. Click any of this. Here, I am going to click Items. And then after that, we are on New Listing. You can upload your photos or the items or the products that you're about to sell. And then below, all you need to do is to type the title, the name of the product. Let's just say this one. And then after the name of the product, you need to decide for the price. And then after deciding the price, select for category. And then after that, be honest with the condition of the item. So all you have to do is to answer this one. Here we have choices, new, used. So I choose used like new. And then after that, once you're sure with this information, click publish. So just wait until your item or your product will be published. So that's how easy it is. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.